Welcome. Here, we break down complex electrical engineering concepts into simple, practical, and engaging explanations. So, stay connected with the world of electrical engineering.
In this video, we are going to discuss metal-enclosed and metal-clad switchgear used in indoor systems for 11 kilovolts and 33 kilovolts. First, we will understand the single-line diagram, commonly called the SLD, of a 33 kilovolt system. This will help us clearly understand the construction and operation of indoor switchgear. Let us start by drawing the basic elements of the system. This symbol represents an isolator. Next, this symbol represents a circuit breaker. Here we draw the busbar, which acts as a common connection point for all feeders. Now let us draw a complete feeder bay. Starting from the busbar, we place a bus side isolator followed by a circuit breaker. After that, we place a line side isolator. Next comes the line side current transformer, also called the CT. Finally, the feeder goes out to the load or transmission line. Now we draw another feeder bay in a similar manner. In this bay, the circuit breaker is known as a sectionalizer circuit breaker. The sectionalizer divides the busbar into two sections. This helps improve system reliability and limits the impact of bus faults. This is the bus side isolator, followed by the circuit breaker and then the line side isolator. A current transformer is placed on the line side for protection and metering. We can draw multiple such feeder bays on both sides of the bus section. The middle feeder is usually the incoming feeder. It receives power from the transformer and supplies it to the busbar. The remaining feeders are outgoing feeders which supply power to different consumers. Now let us understand an important feature of indoor metal-clad switchgear. Instead of a fixed circuit breaker, we use a draw-out type circuit breaker. This is shown by a double arrow symbol in the diagram. This symbol indicates that the circuit breaker can be physically withdrawn from the panel when required. During the draw-out process, the circuit breaker is automatically isolated from the busbar and the feeder. This allows safe maintenance and inspection of the circuit breaker outside the panel. Because of this draw-out feature, we do not need separate isolators as used in outdoor AIS substations. This is one of the key advantages of indoor metal-clad switchgear. Now let us look at the internal construction. The entire power circuit is divided into separate metal-enclosed compartments. Each compartment is isolated from the others for safety. These compartments include the circuit breaker compartment, the current transformer with cable termination compartment, the busbar compartment, and the sectionalizer compartment. Although we have shown only one feeder in the diagram, the same arrangement applies to all feeders in the switchgear lineup. This concludes the explanation of the 33 kilovolt indoor metal-clad switchgear single line diagram.
Please subscribe to our channel and click the like button if you truly like the video, and we will be able to give you a clear idea. Please don't forget to leave a comment on which topic you'd like to see in the next video. Your comment is most important to us.